Hi, I'm Chris from the Open Agroclimate Project, and I'm here today to show you how to install Git on your Mac OS X using Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager that doesn't come with Mac, but is a really useful little tool that I like to use to install third-party software and keep it up to date. We're going to go ahead and get started by first visiting the Homebrew website, which is right there. It's very simple. Shows you how to install software, how to go ahead and build new software where it's installed, but we're going to go ahead and just click the install today, and it brings you to this installation instruction. Right here is what we're looking for. It is a quick one-liner that you can just right-click and copy. Note underneath that it says you need to install Xcode. This is so that you can build the software which is required when you run it. So open up a terminal, go ahead and paste this, and hit enter, and it will show you what it needs to do, and it's saying that we are going to need a password. This is your administrative password to get into your system, and it should go ahead and install successfully, which it does. Now you can type in brew, and by typing in brew you see the command line options that you have. The one we're interested in currently is brew install, which installs software it's pretty basic. You just need to install the software. So brew install Git, which is the package we're looking to install. It's going to go ahead and download the source files for Git 1722 and install them right now. It's actually compiling the software in the background, so this may take a little time. Alright, so it's almost done. It's downloading extra packages, and there it goes. Okay, now the good thing about Brew is if your software requires other software to install that's not already on the system and Brew has access to it, it will install it for you. Or it will give instructions on how to install it, which is very useful. We just installed Git, so just type in git, and it shows you the command line options that you can use. So we're going to do git -- version to verify that we are running 1722, and if you type in which Git, you'll see that it's installed under user local bin Git, which is already on your path. That is another nice feature of Brew. It installs everything under user local bin through symlinks. We're also going to need to point out how to use git GUI, the Git GUI. It loads on the background behind it. Don't be afraid. Just click on the little flasher, and there he goes. That's Git GUI. Basically, if you run it inside of a Git directory or a Git repository, it will actually show up a different window. But for today, that's all we need to do. That would be how you install Git on Mac OS X using Homebrew. That's Chris, and we're part of the Open Agroclimate Project. I hope you enjoyed the video.